In the town of Differdange in southern Luxembourg, something remarkable happens every day. Scrap metal, collected from all over Europe, makes its journey here by boat, then by rail and road. What was once discarded and forgotten finds new purpose at the ArcelorMittal steelworks, one of the leading steel production facilities in the world. Here, in enormous electric furnaces, the scrap metal is melted down at extremely high temperatures. The liquid steel that emerges is then carefully shaped through a series of processes. It is poured, rolled, and stretched into long beams, each one destined to become part of a new structure somewhere in the world. Among these are the jumbo sections, immense steel beams that are over 1 meter in height. These impressive elements are a specialty of ArcelorMittal Differdange. Known as grey beams, they serve as the structural backbone for major construction projects, including the WATERforum. For this project, one beam in particular was produced at an extraordinary scale, 24 meters long, or about the length of a city bus. Once it had been laminated into its final shape, it was cut precisely to size. Afterward, the beam segments were adjusted, straightened and fine-tuned using powerful hydraulic presses to ensure absolute precision. But this was no ordinary beam. Engineers from ArcelorMittal collaborated with designers to give it a unique characteristic. It needed to appear straight once installed, but actually had to be slightly curved during production. This subtle pre-curving meant that when the beam was placed on site, under the right conditions, it would visually align perfectly with the structure's intended lines. To support the beam at the right angle, especially inclined socle, or base, was designed and manufactured. It was then welded directly to the beam, forming a single stable unit. Finally, the entire assembly, 24 meters of expertly formed steel and its custom socle, was prepared for the next stage of its journey, transportation to the construction site, where it would take its place as a key structural element of the WATERforum. This story of transformation, from recycled metal to architectural centerpiece, is a testament to the fusion of industry, engineering and design. It shows how even the most ordinary materials, in the right hands, can become extraordinary. The choice of this particular steel beam carries a deeper meaning. ArcelorMittal, with a long history of operating across southern Luxembourg, shares a close relationship with the region's rivers and streams. Water is essential to its work, used extensively to cool the high-temperature processes inside its factories. In this way, the beam becomes more than just a structural element. It stands as a powerful symbol. It represents a shared commitment between science, architecture, engineering, and industry to protect and improve the quality of water in Luxembourg. This collaboration is a reminder that progress and sustainability can go hand in hand, and this is what WATERforum tries to federate.